In our setting, we have completely on campus, of course, because of the nature of needing to be in a lab setting all day.
I grew up mechanically inclined, working on cars and computers. So when I started to work on instruments, I started scratching my head and thinking, maybe I like this. It's a good combination of, music and hands-on skills. So I started investigating and researching programs where I could, study professionally. And Red Wing was always at the top of the list.
Well, since I was a young kid, I knew this was what I wanted to do. Just taking apart guitars, trying to put them back together the right way. So this kind of seemed like a perfect fit because you really understand the anatomy of the instruments that you're working on.
Students in the violin repair program are learning all of the basic maintenance and repairs that you would see in a shop. General adjustments, including replacing sound posts, leveling fingerboards, and replacing bridges.
The courses that we teach here are fundamentals related to woodwind instruments. Specifically, we teach them related to clarinet, flute, saxophone, oboe, and bassoon. The outcomes that we're looking for are that they have a working knowledge of each instrument, how to repair each instrument, and also how to play test these instruments.
Right now, we're currently all working on our trumpet projects. So we each get assigned a project trumpet. We had to take it completely apart, clean it using various chemicals, and there were tons of dents all along here. If you get close enough, you can kind of see little remnants of where they are, but this is ultimately one of the final stages of the trumpet that I'm working on.
We try to split up our lecture time so that they have as much time hands-on as possible.
We do have a combination of academic sorts of tests and quizzes and reading material and hands-on lab work, but most of the work is done in the shop, just like you would have on the job.
My favorite thing about the program has to be just the nature to create, to be able to take something that was broken and create something that is beautiful and makes music and touches somebody, in their heart.